sound? Can you guess? A colorful bird, oh what a test. Think back to the birdie you just saw, with feathers so bright it left you in awe. It's the rainbow warbler, oh so bright, with colors that shine in the sunlight. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue. This birdie's song is just for you. Now listen closely, here comes another call. A chirp so sweet it'll make you stand tall. Sound of a melodious chirp. Who could it be? Take a guess, my dear. A bird so pretty it brings us cheer. Think of the colors you saw before. Which birdie made you want to soar? It's the sunshine finch with feathers of gold. Its chirp so happy, never too bold. Yellow like the sun with a touch of green. The prettiest bird you've ever seen. Let's try again. Are you ready to play? Another bird sound is coming your way. Sound of a gentle coo. Who's cooing so soft like a lullaby? A bird so gentle it makes you sigh. Remember the color so soothing and calm. Which birdie brought you a feeling of balm? It's the lavender dove, oh so sweet, with purple feathers so soft and neat. Its coo is gentle like a whisper of love, floating down softly from high above. Now here's a sound that might make you giggle, a silly bird call that'll make you wiggle. Who made that noise? It's quite a surprise. A bird so funny you won't believe your eyes. Think of the colors all mixed up and bright. Which birdie made you laugh with delight? It's a silly parrot with feathers galore. Red, blue and green and so much more. Its squawk is funny, it makes us all smile. This colorful bird has such great style. Let's listen again to a tweet so clear. A bird so special it brings us cheer. Who's singing now? Can you recall a bird so regal, standing proud and tall? Remember the color so bold and true. Which birdie made you feel brand new? It's the royal peacock with feathers so grand, blues and greens like a magical land. Its tweet is proud like a royal decree. This beautiful bird is a wonder to see. Now for a sound that's soft and sweet, a gentle bird call, oh what a treat. Who's trilling now? Give it a guess. A bird so delicate it's hard to express. Think of the color so light and fair. Which birdie made you stop and stare? It's the pastel hummingbird, tiny and bright, pink and blue, such a beautiful sight. Its trill is gentle like flower petals in the breeze. This little bird will surely please. Let's try one more. Are you ready to go? Another bird sound, high and low. Who's whistling? Can you remember a bird so cheerful from January to December? Recall the colors so vibrant and clear. Which birdie brought you so much cheer? It's the rainbow Lorikeet with colors so bold. Red, green and blue, a sight to behold. Its whistle is happy like a joyful song. This birdie makes us want to sing along. Great job, little ones, you've done so well. Matching bird sounds, can't you tell? You've learned about birds both big and small. With colors so bright, they enthrall. Remember the rainbow warbler's cheerful tune, and the sunshine finch that brightens noon. The lavender dove with its gentle coo, and the silly parrot that made you say, woo! Don't forget the peacock so regal and grand, or the tiny hummingbird, nature's magic wand. The rainbow Lorikeet with its colorful call. You've learned about them all. Now when you hear a bird outside your window, you might just know which one says hello. Listen closely to their chirps and tweets, and remember the colorful friends you did meet. Birds are amazing with feathers so bright. Their songs fill the world with pure delight. So keep your ears open and your eyes too, for the wonderful birds that surround you. Thank you for playing our matching game, where bird calls and colors became the same. We hope you had fun. about the colorful birds that